To activate remote on-body recording, first boot up your bodypacks. Wait till the bodypacks are completely booted up. Now they are ready to be set up with remote OBR. Now in MVN, open the remote on-body recording window under the OBR tab. You should now see all bodypacks displayed in this window. To start a remote on-body recording session, simply click Start Recording, and once the delay is finished, bodypacks will begin to flash to indicate this has begun. Once you have completed your recording, bring the bodypacks back in range of your access point. Now in the remote on-body recording window, simply click Stop Recording, and your bodypacks will beep to indicate that this session is finished. Timecode will now function in OBR mode, just like a live session. Timecodes will be recorded to OBR files and will be synced to all bodypacks.